What are you doing?
After decades of denials, the CIA made a shocking admission. Thousands of UFOs reported by eyewitnesses were actually covert test and reconnaissance flights.
Amber baby. Hi, Boom Boom. Hi.
Look at mommy.
What are you doing, huh?
So the legends that surround Area 51 are going to be very handy for someone who wants to...
Come on. Mom wants to film you again. Okay, when you come on, go to bed now.
Okay.
Bye.
Night.
Good night.
Is nothing more than their latest bit of disinformation.
Alright, I'll see you in the morning.
Okay. Amber. Let me see. Amber. What are you doing over there? Amber.
The mystique will still stay there, and people will still be wondering what's really Area 51.
One makes it difficult to separate fact from fiction.
Well, the reasons why the government keeps
Hi, Amber.
secret is something of a mystery, like
Amber.
I suppose from their perspective, you could say that so much secret stuff has been going on there for so long, it's very difficult for them to come out and say, we were lying. Secret technology stuff going on there too. Once you start to unravel that onion, who knows how many layers further you have to go. So I think it's kind of convenient to them just to keep quiet about it and downplay its existence. Bear in mind that this was a base that for most of its existence not officially existed.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Amber. Amber. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I suspect it will be in business for a very long time.
What are you doing?
Remains a place shrouded in mystery. A place where reality is incredible and the incredible is real. A place where legends and myths are born. We are far at sea.
Where are you going?
Of mystery.
Amber. Bye.